It only moves 1,000 cubic feet a minute of air. It's only 20 inches wide. And people are saying the Alexa integration is broken. Hey there, I'm Justin. Welcome to the 608. After installing this in my office, I found 3 things Govee isn't telling you, including a secret about these blades that makes it better than a regular fan for this space. Today, we're going to find out, is this the ultimate office upgrade or a $189 mistake? Let's get into it. All right, let's open up the Govee ceiling fan with lights. I believe this is a 20-inch fan, 3,100 lumens at 2,700 Kelvin and 3,300 lumens at 6,500 Kelvin. This is also known as the bladeless ceiling fan. We have a remote, installation hardware, nicely packaged. All right, so not much in the box. The hardware, the remote, and this single piece. Let's see what it is inside. It's not very heavy. All right, so this is the fan. Got the nice G. Clearly it's not bladeless, it's just the blades inside the fixture. Blades clear, which I wasn't expecting. It's kind of a ribbed bottom diffuser. There's a top light. It's pretty simple. If we just have a bracket and the fan. All right, let's take care of the installation. It's pretty basic. There's a bracket that you're going to attach to the ceiling. If you already have a box installed in the ceiling for a ceiling fan, then you're going to use the included machine screws. If you're placing this in a regular light box, you're going to need to use anchors and wood screws. Because this is flush mount, there's no down rod, and vaulted ceilings are probably a no-go. But if you've done basic lighting installs before, this is a 15 to 30 minute job, and binding it to the Govee app is as easy as any other device. All right, let's talk about fan noise. It's off. This is just ambient noise in the room. Alexa, turn the office fan to speed 1. And this is the noise on speed 1. Let's listen. Alexa, turn the office fan to speed 6. We'll bring it up right to mid-range. Alexa, set the office fan speed to 12. All right, so just as a comparison, this was the tower fan that we had in this room that this ceiling fan replaced. Everything's off. Again, we just kind of have computer noise going in here. So let's listen. Let's check speed 1. Now mid speed. And next full speed. Which would you rather listen to? Okay, so one of the next complaints on this fan, it doesn't push enough air. And it's true, this is a lot less powerful than a standard ceiling fan. But in this room, a standard ceiling fan would be blowing my papers all over the place. Here we can see that it's clearly moving air. I can feel it, but it's not so disruptive that I can't work. And it's quiet, it's on speed 6 right now. So the standard Govee 52-inch ceiling fan is 5,000 cubic feet a meter. This is 1,000. You're giving up a lot of air movement. But this fan has a 30-degree tilt to the fan blades, and it oscillates as it spins, pushing the air to every corner of the room, making the air that it does push seem like much more. Another great benefit of this fan, the blades are inside the light. Why does this matter? Well, as you can see in this video, the fan blades spinning around the lights often causes this strobing effect. That can be very irritating while you're trying to work or watch TV. Here, we have no strobing effect from this fan. Just good, clean, solid light. No interference with the television, no interference with our workstation. And it's keeping us cool. And because it's Govee, it syncs with all my other lights. This here is Movie Dream View. There's also Scenic Dream View and Music Dream View. Okay, one of the other complaints was that the fan doesn't connect well with your home assistants. And if you were paying attention earlier in the video, that's not true. But I'll show you once again. Alexa, turn the office ceiling fan to 3000 Kelvin. Alexa, turn the office ceiling fan to rainbow mode. Alexa, turn the office ceiling fan to 3000 Kelvin. This isn't a party trick. It works great. I did nothing other than sync it to the Govee Home app. You can make it work even better if you go into your Home Assistant and group it all together there where it can control the whole room at once. So now we have to discuss. After a couple weeks with this fan, would I buy it? For my living room? For my master bedroom? Absolutely not. For my office? A guest bedroom? This is an amazing device. You get great quality bright lights and a ceiling fan in one package. It's quiet, doesn't disrupt your sleep or your work. Heck, you don't even have to get up and flip a switch. You can just talk to Alexa. And if I forgot to mention, it has a nice little remote. You can set some preset scenes in it, fan speeds, colors, on, off. If you look at the price of a Govee Tower Fan at $149 and a Govee Ceiling Light Pro at $129, $189 for two devices in one is a bargain. This here is the smartest ceiling fan I've ever tested. And it's going to stay right here in my office. Maybe I'll find a spot for another one. Until next time.